Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can make collage on Instagram story. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your story. Next, select some photos which you want to add on your story. After that, tap on next. Then tap on layout. You can also edit layout by tapping on it. After that, tap on done. Next, tap on your story. So, this is how you can make collage on Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.